Why, one might wonder, does heavy equipment hold such a pivotal role in the world of wood handling? It's simple: efficiency, safety, and precision. Today we delve into the significance of heavy equipment in the realm of woodworking and compare various types of these mechanical marvels. Consider, for instance, the mighty forklift. This workhorse of the woodworking industry is designed to lift and transport heavy loads of wood from one place to another, reducing the effort and risk involved in manual labor. Forklifts come in various sizes and capacities, from small indoor models for moving pallets of wood to larger outdoor versions capable of handling massive logs. Next in line, we have the log loader, a specialized machine equipped with a grapple to pick up and move logs. Log loaders are indispensable in logging operations, where they work tirelessly to sort and stack logs, preparing them for transport or processing. Then, there's the wood chipper, a machine that takes in large pieces of wood and spits out chips. Wood chippers play a vital role in waste management, turning unwanted wood scraps into useful material that can be used for landscaping or even as a source of renewable energy. Finally, let's not forget the bandsaw, a machine that uses a long, sharp blade consisting of a continuous band of toothed metal to precisely cut wood. Bandsaws are a woodworker's best friend, offering the precision needed to create intricate designs and shapes. Each of these machines has a unique role in the woodworking process, from the initial stages of handling raw timber to the final steps of crafting a finished product. Selecting the right equipment depends on the specific needs of the operation, taking into account factors such as the type and volume of wood to be handled, the desired level of precision, and safety considerations. In summary, heavy equipment plays a crucial role in the woodworking industry, offering efficiency, safety, and precision. From forklifts and log loaders to wood chippers and bandsaws, each machine has its unique role and importance. They are the unsung heroes that make it possible to handle large volumes of wood safely and efficiently, transforming raw timber into the beautiful and useful products we use every day. So, the next time you admire a stunning piece of wooden furniture or step into a cozy log cabin, spare a thought for the heavy machinery that made it all possible. In the realm of woodworking, these machines are not just tools, but the backbone of an industry that brings the beauty of nature into our everyday lives.